GoPros are just awesome little cameras. They can go almost anywhere with you, capturing all your amazing action moments. Think about cool stuff like surfing, mountain biking, or even just a fun day out. But sometimes when you watch your videos back, they can be a bit shaky. Shaky videos are not always the most fun to watch, you know? Your super cool stunts might end up looking a little blurry or hard to follow. We definitely want to try and fix that problem for you. So this is where a tripod comes in. A tripod is like a GoPro's best friend, seriously. It helps hold your camera super still and steady. When your camera is steady, you get no more wobbly videos. Everything you film starts to look really smooth and much more professional. It's almost like the videos you see in the movies. It really does make a huge, noticeable difference in your final footage. Trust me on this one, I've seen it happen so many times. It's a total game changer for your content. Think about all the cool shots you could get. Imagine setting up your GoPro for an epic sunset time-lapse. Or maybe you want to take a big group photo with all your friends in it. A tripod makes getting these kinds of shots super easy and perfect. It's like having an extra helper with you. A very, very steady helper just for your camera. Plus it means you can actually be in the shot too instead of always being the one holding the camera. So you can see, a good tripod is super important. It makes your already awesome GoPro footage even better than before. It really helps to elevate your videos. It can take them from looking just okay or pretty good to looking totally epic and amazing. Let's dive in and explore some of the great tripods out there. We are going to find the perfect one that fits all your adventures and filming needs. Get ready to capture some seriously awesome smooth footage. First up, let's talk about the GoPro 3-Way 2.0. This one is actually made by GoPro itself. So, you know it's going to be a perfect match for your camera. It's really cool because it's not just a simple tripod, it also works as a really comfy grip for holding your camera. And it has an extension arm built right in. This is super useful for getting different angles and shots. I use this one for vlogging all the time. It just feels great to hold and is very versatile. Next up on our list is the famous Joby GorillaPod. You have probably seen these around before. They are the ones with those super cool bendy legs. You can wrap these legs around almost anything you can think of. Like a tree branch or a fence post or even your bike's handlebars. It lets you be so creative and fun with your shots. They come in lots of different sizes too. The smaller ones are absolutely perfect for GoPros, nice and light. Then we have the Manfrotto Pixie Mini Tripod. Manfrotto is a really big and respected name in the camera world. They make a lot of professional camera gear. The Pixie is quite small, which is great for portability. But don't let its size fool you. It's really strong and very stable. It has a neat little push-button mechanism. This makes it easy to adjust your GoPro's angle. It also looks very stylish and professional. It's great for setting up shots quickly on a flat surface. And last but not least, let's not forget the Ulanzi MT-08. This tripod is a super popular choice for many GoPro users. This is especially true if you are looking for something budget-friendly. It's a mini tripod, nice and compact, and it has a cool feature where it can extend. So, it works like a small selfie stick too. It's very small and incredibly lightweight. This makes it so easy to carry with you everywhere you go. Many people really love this one. Let's talk about using these tripods. How easy are they to actually operate? The GoPro 3-Way 2.0 is pretty easy to change between its different modes. Going from a grip to a tripod is quick once you get the hang of it. The Joby GorillaPod is really fun to bend and shape. It does take a little bit of practice to get those legs positioned just right. But the cool thing is you can put it almost anywhere. The Manfrotto Pixie is super simple with its push-button lock, so easy to adjust. The Ulanzi MT-08 is also very straightforward. You just pull it to extend. Portability is super important when it comes to GoPro accessories. We take our GoPros everywhere, right? The Ulanzi MT-08 is incredibly tiny. It can easily fit into your pocket, which is a huge yay. The smaller versions of the Joby GorillaPod are also very easy to pack and don't take up much space. The Manfrotto Pixie is compact and has a neat, tidy design. The GoPro 3-Way 2.0 is a little bit bigger than the others. But remember, it does 3 different things, so it's often a good trade-off for all those extra features. Now, how tough are they? Durability really matters, especially for an action camera that sees a lot of adventure. The Manfrotto Pixie feels very solid and strong. You can tell it's made with good quality materials. It can definitely handle a few bumps and knocks. The GoPro 3-Way 2.0 is also built pretty tough by GoPro. It's designed to be ready for action. Joby GorillaPods are generally quite sturdy. However, the leg joints can sometimes get a little loose, especially if you bend them a million times over many years. The Ulanzi is very budget-friendly, so you might want to be a little more gentle with it. What about any cool extra features that make them stand out? The GoPro 3-Way 2.0 has that awesome extension arm. It's great because you can get selfies, and you can do it without the actual stick showing up in your shot. The Joby GorillaPod's main superpower is definitely its bendy legs. You can wrap it on a lamppost or a railing. The Manfrotto Pixie's push-button ball headlock is so smooth and satisfying to use. Plus, its Italian design looks really cool. The Ulanzi's extendable pole feature, especially for its tiny size and price, is a really big plus. Let's break down the GoPro 3-Way 2.0 Pros. It's like having 3 tools all in one handy package. You get a grip, an extension arm, and a tripod. It's made by GoPro, so you know it will fit and work perfectly. It's also waterproof, which is great for adventures. Cons. It is a bit more expensive than some other options, and it's a little bigger and bulkier than a simple mini tripod, but it's so handy for vlogging and getting diverse shots. I love how secure it feels in my hand with my GoPro. Now for the Joby GorillaPod. Pros. It's super flexible, which is its biggest selling point. You can wrap it almost anywhere you can imagine. It's very lightweight and easy to carry around. This gives you tons of creative shot options. Cons. It can sometimes be a little fiddly to get it perfectly level. The leg joints might wear out after tons and tons of use over the years. Smaller versions might not comfortably hold heavier camera setups if you add lots of accessories. But for just a GoPro, it's so much fun to use. Next, the Manfrotto Pixie Mini Pros. It is very stable and surprisingly strong for its small size. The build quality is excellent, typical of Manfrotto. It has that super easy push button for making quick angle changes, and it looks very professional and sleek. Cons. The legs are not flexible like a GorillaPod. It's also not very tall, so it's for lower angle shots. It's best for use on flat surfaces or for low angle perspectives, but it's a solid little rock for your camera. I use it on my desk all the time. Finally, the Ulanzi MT-08 Pros. It is so incredibly affordable, a real bargain. It's super small and very lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere. It also extends to become a handy little selfie stick. This makes it great for travel and quick shots. Cons. It might not be the toughest or most durable tripod on this list. The extension pole can feel a bit wobbly, especially if it's fully extended and you have a heavier camera or many accessories on it. But for the price, it's really amazing. Choose what's best for your adventures and your wallet. Check out tripodreviews.com for more.